Welcome to Little Lefty. Hello everyone. Today let's draw a pear. A pear is an edible fruit. Its shape is a teardrop. The flavor of pears is best when they are cool. Pears do not ripen well on trees. They can be soft in the center. They can be baked, canned, frozen, or eaten fresh. Pears can be made into jams, jellies, or juice. They can also be made into pies and put into salads or baby food. They are 83% water. It has a green, red, yellow, or brown skin. The pear originated from Europe, Africa, and Asia. Pear trees grow in heavy soil. Pears may be stored at room temperature until ripe. They will ripen faster if placed next to bananas in fruit bowl. Because pears ripen from the inside out, the best way to judge ripeness is to check the neck. Apply gentle thumb pressure to the neck or stem end of the pear. If yields to gentle pressure, then the pear is ripe, sweet, and juicy. If it is firm, leave the pear at room temperature and check daily for ripeness. Pear wood is one of the preferred materials in the manufacture of high-quality woodwind instruments and furniture, and was used for making the carved blocks for woodcuts. It's also used for wood carving and as a firewood to produce aromatic smoke for smoking meat. Pear wood is valued for kitchen spoons, scoops, and stir, as it does not contaminate food with color, flavor, or smell, and resist warping and splintering, despite repeated soaking and drying cycles. Hope you learned something.